Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are driving on Washington Boulevard. And guys, look at all the new street lights they have put up. Some were there before, some weren't working, and some the poles were put back up. But this is an excellent job by the JPS because the road is well lit now, the entire stretch of Washington Boulevard. Now, what has happened in the past is that cars drive into the poles, damage them, and unfortunately, sometimes you have instances where people steal the light bulbs out of the lights. Sometimes they even steal a whole light piece. But the GPS has gone ahead and set back up all of these lights on Washington Boulevard. Alright guys, let us know what you think. We're just giving you a quick update. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.